Hi everybody, Debra and Bandit here, and by the time you see this, I will be headed to the doctor. I have not been feeling well for a couple of weeks, and I just want to make sure what it is. I think it's allergies and turned into a summer cold, but I just want to be sure. And I had a special video planned for you today to show you Bandit and all of his tricks and commands and how good he's doing, and tell you his story. And I'll be sharing that soon, but not today. Today I just wanted to let you know that I'm headed to the doctor. I'm not feeling well. I don't think it's the virus, so please don't worry, but I just want to make sure. And because of that, I have postponed the air conditioner guides coming out, both for the engine and for the HVAC, to get those repaired. And we'll get those done as soon as I know what is going on with me. And I am going to be boarding Bandit for the day only while I go to the doctor, because it'll be too hot for him to stay in the RV at my vet's office. So I've had to get all of that lined up ahead of time, and that's what you do when you travel with an animal. You got to think about all of that when you travel with your furry family members, and so keep that in mind. I'll be sharing that and other tips in my video coming up. And let's see, what else did I want to share with you? I think that's about it for now. I'll be doing an update on my Friday Night Live about what I find out at the doctor's. You'll be watching this while I'm at the doctor's, and so I won't be able to respond to comments right away. But leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'm sorry this isn't one of my regular videos, but I'll get back to that as soon as I can. I just wanted to touch base and let you know what's going on and why you're not seeing a regular video from me today. I hope that everyone out there is doing well, and I send you great love, and I will see you down the road, everybody. Say bye, Bandit. Can you say bye? We're just fine. See you soon.